singer and famous vocal coach na si Ladine Rojas may duet collaboration kay Chris Lawrence. Tiyak na makarelate na naman tayo sa single ng singer vocal coach na si Ladine Rojas Saturno na may titulong Within. Nagka-collab niya rito ang Philippine Prince of R&B na si Chris Lawrence. Ayon sa kanya o kay Chris, hindi siya nagdalawang isip nang ialok sa kanya ng tatay-tatayan at award-winning composer na si Maestro Benny Saturno ang kanyang Within at makaduet kay Ladine.
Tito Benny has played such a big role in my career. He's written two of my biggest songs, which is Ikaw Pala and Kung Malaya Lang Ako. So honestly, I don't think I would have made it this long if it wasn't for the songs that he's written for me. And, you know, of course, I didn't even hear the song, but I already said yes.
Ayon din kay Chris, pati siya'y naapektuhan sa mismong kanta nila, kaya paniguradong magugustuhan ito ng mga makakarinig tulad ng pagtakilik sa mga kanta niya. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam na sila din ang voice coach sa mga sikat na singers sa kanilang henerasyon, kaya naman ipinagmalaki at nabanggit ito ng singer at voice coach.
And I'm just happy to let you know that I have a very good track record when it comes to voice and teaching. Nag-start sa amin si Teresa S. Angitores. Ito facto, hindi ko talaga Zephanie de Maranan. During those times na sa The Voice, ang dami ng audition, but I have two of my kids from my school on the finals.
Ang kantang Within ay mapapakinggan sa lahat ng online platform nationwide at ito ay under Benny Saturno Music.